Hi everyone, welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. Today I'm making some sweet and sour chicken, and these are my seasoning: garlic powder, ginger powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, and I'm going to put some pineapple in it and some sweet pepper and carrots. My sauce is going to make up with the ketchup, fish oil, and a little molasses, some of the pineapple juice, and vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna mix my flour. I have some onion powder in it, and I'm gonna put some garlic powder. You have to season both the chicken and the flour. And I have some corn starch in the flour. Put a little salt and some black pepper. That's it. Then I'm gonna make my sauce. This pot over here. Oh, let me turn this off. This already eat up. Start making my sauce right here. Put my stove on. Put me some vinegar. Some ketchup. I think I might need some more.
Did you press anything?
Vinegar. I'm putting a 3/4 cup.
I put the roll through bag. I put what it showed. That's what I did. Alright, let's see what it comes
And
back.
I'm gonna add a tablespoon fish oil. This is very salty. You have to be careful. Measure this one.
They should be saying something right now. Yeah.
I need more ketchup. I should put the juice in the bottle. I'm just eyeballing ketchup. Yes. Oh, I think I have enough. Added this, just a say tablespoonful. You don't want a lot in it. You don't want it too dark. So we're gonna make this cook down before we add our veggie in it. We're gonna add some honey for sweetness. This is the sweet part. Okay, we come back over here. Okay, let me get the oil going. I already seasoned up my chicken with my onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and whatever I have here already seasoned up. So I'm gonna finish chop some more carrots. This is, I have carrots and sweet pepper and pineapple. Carrots, sweet peppers, and pineapple. Okay, that's my veggies ready. Let's go ahead and flour these. Oil is almost ready.
Still showing stuff on. No, that's Verizon 5. Just said Verizon 5.
These are boneless chicken thighs. That's the best part to use for stir fry. Cannot go wrong with the boneless chicken thighs. Oh, it's ready. Turn this down. Okay, taking out the last set, and we're gonna drain off this oil. Give me a piece of bounty paper like White House trouble there. That's over this we good this way. We're gonna put the chicken back in. We're gonna put our sauce on it. Smell that thing. It smells delicious. We're gonna make it cook for a little while before we put our veggie in. We're gonna just clean up and come right back. Okay, we're gonna put our veggie in. Just for 5 more minutes. And our pineapple chunks. Look how pretty that is. Wow. We need a little more water. Get a bottle of water. Doesn't that look pretty? Yummy, yummy, yum, yum, yum. I want a lot of gravy. Turn it.
The first vehicle I saw that said, or that
just 5 more minutes and we're good to go.
Was the
wow, unbelievable. Okay, see you in 5 minutes, guys. Here we go, guys. We have the finished product. Sweet and sour chicken with white rice. Delicious. Bye, guys. Thanks for coming into my home. I'll see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye.